Hi, my name is Muhammad Radhi Najhan bin Sampran. My matrix number is B0517100026 and I am 4th year student from Faculty of Manufacturing UTM. Title of this assignment is SDG 13 Climate Change. Well, what exactly is climate change? Climate change is defined as a long-term change in the Earth's overall temperature with massive and permanent ramifications. Climate scientists believe that this isn't caused naturally by the Earth, but by human activity. Earth's atmosphere consists of gases such as oxygen, nitrogen, and other gases known as greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, and methane. Incoming light from the sun hits the Earth's surface. The Earth absorbs some of that energy, hitting the surface of the planet. The rest of that energy gets reflected. Some of that energy goes back into the space. The greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide trap the energy and send it right back to the Earth's surface, heating it up even more. This is known as the greenhouse effect. Now, a little greenhouse effect is natural to the Earth and is a good thing to have, but a large greenhouse effect can be a catastrophic, causing a lot of that energy to stay in our atmosphere and heat up the Earth at an accelerating rate. Some of the human activity that emits greenhouse gases are oil burning, animal agriculture, and deforestation, and waste and recycle pollution. Hundreds of thousands of years, climate change has consequences for our ocean, our weather, our food sources, our health, and ice sheets such as Greenland and Antarctica are melting. The extra water that was once held in glacier causes sea levels to rise and spills out of the ocean, flooding coastal regions. Warmer temperatures also make weather more extreme. This means not only more intense major storm, flood and heavy snowfall, but also longer and more frequent drought. These changes in weather pose challenges. Growing crops becomes more difficult. The area where plants and animals can live shift and water supplies are diminished. In addition to creating new agriculture challenge, climate change can directly affect people's physical health. In urban areas, the warmer atmosphere creates an environment that traps and increases the amount of smoke. This is because smoke contains ozone particles which increase rapidly at higher temperature. Exposure to higher level of smoke can cause health problems such as asthma, heart disease, and lung cancer. Humans are also the one who can combat if we work to replace fossil fuel with renewable energy sources like solar and wind, which don't produce greenhouse gas emission. We might still be able to prevent some of the worst effects of climate change. There is another solution that we can tackle in our everyday life, embracing a plant-based or plant-rich diet. The fossil fuel demands associated with animal feed, transportation, deforestation, and animal emission themselves make up a large chunk of global greenhouse emission. The animal agriculture industry now accounts for nearly 14.5% of world total annual carbon footprint, as well as 45% of its land use. But Project Drawdown predicts that if just 50% of the world population adopts a plant-rich diet by 2050, we could avoid of 65.02 gigatons of greenhouse gas emissions. The goal is simple. Carbon dioxide is the climate's worst enemy. It's released when oil, coal, and other fossil fuels are burned for energy. The energy we use to power our homes, cars, and smartphones. By using less of it, we can curb our own contribution to climate change while also saving money. Here are a dozen easy, effective ways each one of us can make a difference.